In this video, I'm going to show you how to silence your message notifications on iPhone. So there's two ways to do it. One is incredibly easy, and one is you just have to go into your settings. So the first way to do it is if you're on your iPhone, go to the top right and swipe down to where you see some of your options here. And what you can actually do is go to where it says focus, and then just go and turn on your do not disturb. This is going to silence all of your notifications for your phone. So that's a really quick way to silence them all. But if you want to specifically silence your message notifications, we're going to turn this back off. And what you want to do is simply just go to your settings and then scroll down to where you see your notifications. And then go ahead and go find messages in your long list of crud that you have here, all of your stuff. Go to your messages and go ahead and turn off allow notifications. So this is going to be the way to silence your message ones specifically and tailored to that specifically rather than your entire phone itself. So it's a very easy way to do it, very simplistic. And if you want them back on, just go ahead and turn them back on. So I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.